We will not postpone, we will not defer, and we will not give an exemption to the payment of the 13-month pay. The law says pay the workers their 13-month pay on or before December 24. Yan po ang ipapatupad ng Department of Labor.
Malapit na to ah. O, isa ka na sa nakakuha ng mga 13-month pay nila. Ay! So, ang dami na po nag-aabang or nakakuha na ng 13-month pay nila. Tingin ka nga lang sa TikTok, may Christmas dance challenge na nga, di ba? Actually, 13th-month pay shows one of the positive sides ng mga Pinoy. Whatever happens, pandemic ka lang, COVID ka lang. Bida ang saya. Beb? Wrong song? Oh. Okay, sorry. Tuloy pa rin ang Pasko. Pero kadalasan, which shows the negative side, is pagdating ng 13th-month pay natin, kinabukasan, ubos na. Nagastos na natin kung sa ano-ano. Ang problema pa, hindi natin alam kung saan nagastos. Yung kinanta ko po kanina, may alternate ending yun. Ubos na po. Sahid na po ang pera ko. Is tayo. Nga po pala, if you're new to this channel, I'm Chris Navera, aka kaPiggy-Banks. We release videos every week about finances, self-improvement, at kung ano-ano pa. So please like, share, and subscribe para updated ka. In this video, let me give you some tips or ideas kung paano magagastos sa 13th-month pay na medyo may kahulugan. Let's start. Let's go for number 1. Meron po natin nung utang natin. Yes po. Now, kaPiggy-Banks, punta ka sa Facebook mo, sa Instagram mo, huhulaan ko kung sino yung may utang at nautangan. Yung mga nakautang at dito nakakabayad, ang ganda ng mga post niyan. Hashtag travel goals. Hashtag feeling blessed. Oh yeah. Yung mga nautangan naman na hindi pa nababayaran. Stress yung mga yan. Daming mga rants. Justified naman, oo. Tapos sa huli ng post nila, may hashtag din yan. Feeling stressed. Oh, hindi ka pa tutuloy. Pero ito mga kaPiggy-Banks, real talk. Let's use this instance na may pera tayo at bayaran na natin yung utang natin. Let's get peace of mind. Trust me, there's nothing more like waking up and hindi mo isipin na may utang ako kay kumpare. May utang ako kay kumare. List down natin yung mga utang natin. From dun sa malalaki, plus matataas yung interest, bayaran kagad natin, up to doon sa mga lower, less urgent ones. Pangalawa po is, let's rebuild our emergency funds. Aminin po natin, nakakabaliw itong 2020. May mga nawalan na work, nabawasan yung kinikita, nagamit yung emergency funds. So let's use this opportunity to rebuild it again. Alam ko kung mahirap gumawa ng emergency fund. Pero isang bagay na pinakita si COVID, which is pinakita niya kung gaano ka-importante itong mga to. Ang recommended naman po ngayon is 6 to 12 months worth of your salary. Ang dati po is 3 to 6 months lang. Bakit tumaas? Kasi po, ang sinasabi ng mga experts is within 10 years, possible magkaroon ng recession ulit. Kahit nga si Mr. Bill Gates himself, Mr. Microsoft, sinasabi, in 3 years time, possible magkaroon ulit ng recession. So, kahit ano man ang mangyari, at least you are prepared for the worst, diba? Next would be, get a health and life insurance. Alam niyo yung friend niyo na kinukulit kayo? Hindi yung nagtatanong na open-minded ka ba? Diyos ko, huwag nang pansinin yung mga ganun. Instead, yung mga friend nyo na nagtatanong na may insurance ka na ba? You might want to hear their opinion right now. Start tayo sa health insurance. Especially right now, may health pandemic, health is wealth. Aside sa hospitalization and medical bills kapag nakasakit tayo, ano bang isang bagay na mawawala? Kita. Let's say po, naka-COVID ka. Sana naman wag. Since ang trabaho ngayon is no work, no pay. So imagine mo, 3 linggo, bro, 3 linggo lang kita. And that's just because of one thing na binaliwala mo. And that's your health insurance. Ito pa po, sana wag mangyari. Sana wag mangyari pa yung first scenario, gumaling. Pero paano kung hindi? Doon po sana papasok si life insurance. Kahit ano mangyari, anything unforeseen happens, covered sila. Mawala ka man, yung goals mo para sa pamilya mo, they can still continue. Diba? Isa pa pong pinarealize sa atin ni COVID is we need to get our retirement funds ready. May mga magsasabi sa inyo, Christian, baliw na ba talaga? Boy, 25 pa lang ako. Early 30s pa lang ako. Anong retirement nagsasabi mo? We have to be honest. This pandemic made us taste retirement. Isipin nyo yung matatanda, di ba humihina yung pagkakakitaan nila? Di ba nawawalan sila ng trabaho dahil sa situation nila? Sounds familiar? Di ba most of Filipinos, ganun ngayon. So isipin po natin ngayon yung retirement nyo. How is your financial condition? Kayo po ba ay kaya-kaya pa? Or stress na, uy, wala na pera, wala na pagkakakitaan. So now is the best time to think of your future. Another thing is to invest your money. For me, recommendation ko is to invest it through the stock market. Why? Kasi bababa pa ng price. All you need to do is to study it. Ang daming industry sa stock market. Pharmaceuticals, mining, commercial, at ano-ano pa. You just need to study what stock you want to buy. Kung kailan ka papasok. Another good investment would be government bonds, MP2. I'll link a video above or on the description below kung gusto mo ng more details about it. Brad, wala ang talo rito. Paano walang talo? Pre, the only time na mababankrupt si MP2 is kapag nabankrupt din ang bansa natin. Kapag nangyari yun, pre, wala ng Pilipinas noon. Chinese ka na nun, Brad. Yun po yung security na binibigay ng government bonds. Another one is to invest in yourself. Opo, sa sarili mo. By acquiring knowledge and skills, you can control your own financial future. Imagine mo po Mr. Mervin Guillermo, Mr. Chinkitan, tanggalin mo yung mga milyones na mga yan. Tanggalin mo yung trabaho niyan. In 6 months, milyonaryo ulit yan. Why? Tanggalin mo yung mga bagay na yan, pero you will never be able to remove their knowledge and skills. Because they're competitive since they have these skills and knowledge. Madali lang sa kanila magkaroon ng trabaho or way para kumita. And lastly, spend it. Ang daming nakakabaliw na nangyari ngayong 2020. Ang daming craziness. Spend your hard-earned cash with your loved ones. Kung walang nakasakit sa inyo, kung kompleto pa kayo, kung walang nakasakit, it's one of the million reasons, 1 in a million or even billion reasons to thank God. So with your loved ones, it's time to spend it and appreciate this year. So there, I hope I was able to give you some advices on how to spend your 13-month pay for your future. And thank you nga po pala for your time in watching this video. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe para updated ka on the next video. So, see ya! on the next episode.